How to stop kids downloading games from Play Store? So let's see. First, open phone settings. Scroll down. Here you can see apps. Open these apps. Search here Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Here you can see disable option. Just disable Google app. So in this way you can see Google Play Store not show. You can use this trick. Kids can't be access to Play Store and not download games. For bring back, go back to disable settings again. Just enable this Play Store. So as you can see, Play Store come back again. You can use this normally. So this is our trick. Thanks for watching.